Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Yukon GMC customer complaint, engine malfunction, indicator lamp. The trouble code guys, engine control module seat P0121 throttle position sensor 1 performance. So first guys, you need to verify this control, the throttle body idle airflow compensation parameter. Back, data display, scroll down, tac data, and scroll down, verify the throttle body idle airflow compensation less than 90%. So now guys, the data is 100%. So the ECM guys detects that the throttle body sensor 1 is stuck. So how to fix this one guys? You need only to clean the throttle body and reset. We need to relearn the throttle body. Engine configuration, reset function, relearn, idle learn, 100%. Raise the learn 0%. Okay, then delete the trouble code. Clear DTC. Okay guys, so that's it guys, the trouble code P0121, how to fix that trouble code. Thank you guys.